Sometimes manufacturers claim such things as the new model of this or that has a revised cam profile. What does that mean and what are they getting at? Let me explain here. First, cam. You have two camshafts running here on the top of the engine. The engine has been opened, the cam cover has been removed so you can see the cam shaft, and on it these bumpy parts sit. Those are cam lobes that open and close the valves that let the engine exchange gases, or breathe if you like. I am manually rotating the cams and you can see that they are offset or alternating or set in a arranged in a very particular profile and arrangement. Let me just rotate one up again, just a sec. There. Okay, how about this one? Look at that one. The cam profile on it is such that now that you've seen one full revolution, you can see that on the camshaft it's got a very little height for most of its wrap around the crankshaft, and then it extends in one direction there, and then it's got a little rounded nose to it. I've got a picture, a simplified picture with geometry a little bit. Yeah, cam profile. It's got a big rounded part with a constant radius, that would be radius, and then it extends in one direction, and it's also rounded over there. That rounding also has a radius to it. I just drew it with a clay mug and a coin. Now, the length of this cam is important, and I do encourage you to look into cam design and cam manufacturing. It's a fascinating topic. It also helps if you have insomnia, depending on your take. And so this length, center to center length, is important. It could be longer, like there, and the rounded part could be there, and in that case it would look somewhat like so. I'm just freehanding it without a clipboard behind it, but you've got the idea. There, maybe this way a little better. Sorry about the wavy line there. You got the idea. This cam can be made longer. If it's made longer, it compresses the valves. The valves are underneath the engine, are underneath the camshaft, and they are, like I said, exchange gases. They allow the engine to breathe in or take in air and gasoline and exhaust it on the opposite side. If this cam lobe is longer, that means that the valve will be compressed further into the engine and will remain open for longer. Sometimes what they do is that so that would be one kind of revision. Another kind would be increase the radius of this roundness to it. Say, how about to a radius of that? I'm just freehanding it. If they do increase the radius of this, and actually, sorry, I drew it wrong. No, that's good. We'll work with that. Then that means that the straight bit kind of connects there. That would be the point of tangency. This is a tangent line here that runs there. That's a tangent line perpendicular to the radius there. It doesn't look too perpendicular. Sorry about my freehand attempts here, but you get the idea. If they make the roundness here bigger, if they increase this radius, that will decrease the amount of rep with a constant radius. If this radius is super tiny, then and super close, like so, Just imagine that would be the radius there, and there you can see that the amount of rep around the big cam is significantly more. This angle here, this angle here is a lot bigger with a short cam length and than a longer one or so. So these would be the two factors to change: the length of cam and the amount of roundness here, and also the amount of roundness there. It changes the geometry, the amount of rep here. So all that it does is changes the length of valve throw in this direction, changes how long the valve remains open, and how long it remains open, and how much gas is being exchanged in the combustion chamber. Alright, I don't want to make it any longer. You can look into cam design and cam profile and cam geometry on your own terms, but that would be the idea. There, you can run with it.